subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei has revealed its successor to the Y9 2019 smartphone on their official global website called Y9s with a pop-up selfie camera. The upcoming Huawei Y9s is said to be the rebranded version of earlier launched Honor 9X Pro smartphone, but with some changes in hardware and specifications. According to the official listing, the Huawei Y9s features a 6.59-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution. Under the hood, the phone is said to come powered by Kirin 710F octa-core chipset, paired with 6GB of RAM. The phone packs with 128GB of inbuilt storage and supports dedicated microSD expansion up to 512GB. In terms of camera, the Huawei Y9s comes equipped by triple camera setup on the rear that features a 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle camera with f2.4 aperture and a 2MP territory lens camera with f2.4 aperture. On the front, there is a 16MP camera for selfies with f2.2 aperture. As per the software, the smartphone is listed to run on Android 9 Pie based on EMUI 9.1. The handset comes backed by a 4000 mAh of battery that charges through a USB Type-C port, and the company claims that the phone will last up to 40 hours of continuous calling and a video playback for 9 hours. Additionally, the Huawei Y9s also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes Wi-Fi, 4G, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm audio jack and more. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.1 by 77.2 by 8.8mm and weighs around 206 grams. Now talking about the pricing and release date. The Huawei has not revealed the release date, but we expect the launch of Huawei Y9s should take place soon in the coming days. And the smartphone is set to price in Iraq at $239, which roughly translates to 17,000 Indian rupees. So what do you guys think of this Huawei Y9s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates, and thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.